T.G.B. Welcome to New Generation. Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to play PlayStation 2 games in your Windows. First you need to download PCSX2. Link is in description. Now download the installation. Now download BIOS chip. Link is in description. Now download ISO Maker. Link is in description. Now open files and run. Now click on next, agree, next. Now uncheck I accept and click on next. Now it is completed. Click on finish. Now click on letter. Now input your DVD and go to open file, C.G.B drive, DVD drive D. Now it will analyze. Now click on make and choose your location where you want to save the data and make any name of your ISO. Now click on OK. Now it is 50% completed. Now it is just going to complete and conversion succeeded. Now click on OK. Now close this. Now open PCX2. Click on next. Install. Selection done. Click on close. Now go to your desktop and open PCX2. Now click on next and click on overwrite. Now it is noting the available pings. Now click on next. Now click on next. Now again go to downloaded folder and right click on BIOS and click on extract all. Now click on extract. Now open extracted files. Select all the files and copy. Yeah. And here click on open in Explorer and paste here the files. Now click on refresh list. Choose USA. Click on finish. Now PCX is started. Now click on DVD. C.G.B ISO sector browse and browse your image where you have keep. Now go to system, boot C.G.B full. And here is game started. Like and share this video and subscribe my channel. This is T.G.B guys.